everybody, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Mia J all the way, and today we are making chocolate covered strawberry rose bouquets for Valentine's Day. I started first, of course, by cleaning the berries, making sure to dry the berries, double dry the berries, triple dry the berries. They have to be dry. Make sure they're room temperature when you dip them, and also make sure they can remain at room temperature until they are going to be eaten. All right, first thing I did was skewered them up. I took the skewers to the side. I'm not sure why I took the skewer to the side. Somewhere I saw someone do that. I'm going to tell you to take the skewers straight down the middle. It's going to make the berry hold longer and it's going to look better. It is February. Strawberries are out of season and they are very popular for Valentine's Day. So I had a really hard time finding strawberries, and finding good ones that just were the big, beautiful red ones that I'm used to was out of the question. But look, they did not look too bad. They're on this skewer. Ooh, there's a couple of delicious ones back there. All right, so fill up a mug with some candy melts. I chose these pink candy melts so I didn't have to dye them myself, which meant that I couldn't use the Ghirardelli white chocolate that I prefer. So I did not use any oil with this. When your chocolate is creamy like this, with a nice pour to it, that lets you know that it's at the appropriate temperature. If your chocolate is too hot, it'll be thick and glumpy, or if it's super, super hot, it will be in a ball like Play-Doh. And that's a quick way to burn it, because when I did this with red the other day, I did that, and every time I saw the ball, I thought, oh, it needs to heat some more, and I almost burnt the chocolate. Thank goodness I didn't, because, you know, it's not cheap. I do like working with the thicker chocolate because you don't have all of the drip to wait for and the runoff to get rid of. You just kind of dip it, wipe it a little bit, and go. See, I told you, if you use a skewer that doesn't go down the middle, it will fall off and you'll have to dig the strawberry out. So yeah, get a skewer, get it down the middle. See, they're much prettier when you can cover the whole strawberry. So make sure you're really grabbing those leaves out of the way and taking it all, take it all the way down. Let's see if this one makes it. All that dipping, sis, and you still have a lot of red showing. Better luck next time. Ooh, you could have took it a little further. See, if you don't grab the leaves out of the way, you kind of run into problems. Let's see if this one, those leaves are up. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Ooh, that's a little better, but you could have gone deeper. Ugh. And they are still fine. They still taste amazing. They just make a better presentation when they're completely covered. Ooh, like those are. Yep, I'm showing you that I threw these in a baggie, moved it all to one side so I can cut the tip and make my own piping bag so I don't have to buy a second set of things. I had baggies, they'll work. So I went ahead and grabbed the roses. Guys, this was very economic. These roses came from Walmart. I got 5 roses for $4.50, I think, and they were gorgeous. I gave the roses away and they just thought they were amazing and they were happy for the surprise. So here I'm going back after the berries have set and I am drizzling them with chocolate. This was still, I think this was only my second time dipping berries when I taped this, so I still had a little bit of problem with the drizzle coverage, but I came a long way from the first video that I've done, which was also the first time I've tried this. I think having them on a skewer works out very nicely, so I might always dip my berries on skewers. I like it a little better than toothpicks or freehand. I'm just going from berry to berry, creating drizzle. Any place that the drizzle doesn't get, I just went back and re-drizzled. So they had a thick coating of chocolate on them, but they looked really nice, very pretty. Oh, hello, saran wrap. I got a piece of saran wrap just to create the barrier between the flowers and the berries just in case, you never know where the flowers have been. So I'm using the original sleeve that the flowers came in to go ahead and rebuild the flower bouquet. And that just took a quick second. The hardest part was avoiding the thorns and holding the flower gently so you didn't break it. Once I had all of them put in there, all 5 of them, nice and neatly, I took a rubber band and rubber band the stems together so that they didn't move around. I made sure to take the plastic sleeve just below the flowers so that it didn't cover them and you could see their essence. I put the saran wrap between the two, and then I just arranged the flowers and the strawberries together in a nice little bouquet, just like you would do if you only had flowers, making it so you could see every strawberry and every flower. Then I got some tissue paper, pink of course, because that is our color scheme of the day. You can see the saran wrap wrapped around to keep the stems in place. And I just pulled the tissue paper apart little bit by little bit and wrapped it nicely, nothing to it. And then I folded back the sides so that you can see all of the things inside of the tissue paper. Some of those strawberries were rolling around on the skewers because, like I said, I didn't take them through the middle. When you see me pick it up, you can see this ooze. It has a bit of heaviness to it, a little girth to it. It had essence to it. So if you were going to do this, I would definitely find a rose box, probably available on Amazon, and gift it that way. But if not, like if it's too last minute, just make sure you support it with 2 hands. Now, one thing about me is I'm going to use this dollar store ribbon up. So I decided to add some ribbon to this bouquet. And the bouquet has shades of pink, and I used this white, that's not white, this ribbon that is sheer with red hearts. And I thought it looked really nice together. I should have cut the ribbon a little bit longer to make a greater bow presentation, but I also was like, I already cut the bow, so this is what we're doing. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.